What's going on YouTube? In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the key ways that North Digital closes high ticket monthly digital marketing clients. So rewind to prior to a year and a half ago, the way I would go about getting clients for North Digital is I would have a prospect, we would have talked back and forth a few times, and then I would send a proposal in the form of a multi-page PDF document, and then I would follow up, cross my fingers, and hope that that prospect became a client. Now, what happened about a year and a half ago is that in addition to sending that PDF proposal, what I would also do is use a screen recording software and record a video of me going through the proposal, talking into the microphone, and talking about the most important parts. And on the screen recording, it would have my face and my voice, and it would add a personal touch. Now, when I first did this, I thought, hey, we'll see if this works. I don't really know what's going to happen. But what I found is that it more than doubled the conversion rate of proposals sent versus new clients acquired. And now it is an absolutely central part of our sales process. So I want to approach this from two angles. First of all is from the client's point of view. Now, from the client's point of view, what you need to understand is that most clients or most businesses are getting approached by marketing agencies all the time, especially if it's a business like a chiropractor, like a dentist, one of those niches where people know that those type of businesses make good digital marketing clients. They're approached multiple times every day. And to them, all of the emails, all of the proposals, all of the phone calls sound and look pretty much the same. Everyone's promising the same things, and it's extremely difficult for them to differentiate. So on their end, when they get, in addition to a PDF proposal, a video from the owner of the business talking them through it, it helps them understand and relate to the proposal itself. B, it builds a ton of trust between them and you before you've even started working together, because they know what you sound like, they know what you look like, and they know you're an actual human who cares about this proposal and about this future campaign. And then three, it also demonstrates your ability to leverage technology effectively. You know, the proof is in the pudding when you are creating a video and sending that along as part of your digital marketing proposal, when a video in itself is a form of digital marketing. So it also helps differentiate you from the competition in that sense. Now, from an agency perspective, the reason why I like doing these videos is that they're actually much easier than most people think to produce. I simply open up the screen recording app and I talk into the camera and into the microphone and go through the proposal exactly the same way I would do it if I was sitting across the table from the prospect. I don't do multiple takes. I don't try to perfect it. In fact, it's even more effective if it's not perfectly polished, because then it's more relatable. So it's a fast, easy thing for the agency to do, and I actually find them kind of enjoyable. I'm just chatting into a camera and I'm sending it off, knowing that my potential client is going to be watching this. So the technology I used to use was something like OBS Studio to screen record, and then I would upload that as an unlisted YouTube video, and then I would put the link to the unlisted YouTube video in the email along with the proposal. And that worked well, but it was still a little bit time consuming. I had to upload to YouTube. I had to export the video file from OBS. And what happened about 9 months ago is I discovered the website loom.com, and this was a game changer. Now, there's not many pieces of software that I would say I love, but Loom is one of them. It's an incredibly easy to use video capture, storing, and sharing software. You press record, you talk to your computer, you press save, and there's a beautiful shareable link that you can send to your clients to view that video. So now that's what I do for all of North Digital's proposals, in addition to sending a PDF document. So if you are starting an agency, wanting to grow your agency, or simply wanting to differentiate your sales process from the competition, I strongly encourage you to add video proposals to your sales process. So that's it for this video. I wanted to share that piece of knowledge and my perspective on it. If you've liked this type of content, please give the video a like. Please comment about what you want to see next. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.